Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own.
Okay, so it's currently not 9 a.m. yet, and we're up and about early. We're here with Ates from Tokyo Posh. I'm gonna have semi-permanent extensions on. I'm gonna have like sort of long hair because we are, I don't know, looking for a new look. And then my makeup artist, Mika, is coming real soon also. She's already near. We're gonna have some set design makers also coming. We just wanted to shoot here in the house so that I feel safer and also like it's a more of a relaxed environment. But I'm gonna bring you guys with me. Ang hirap magsalita with a mask on. So follow me while I do this photo shoot. Ta-da! I now have long hair. And Mika is also almost done. And Denise of Tokyo Posh is also here. She's also wearing extensions though, apparently.
So now you're a forest at home.
Camille will be the mother nature.
Yeah.
So I just finished my Lazada live and I got so shocked. Such a huge thing here in the middle of my living room. Nakakaloka. I was just imagining like a small like set lang. Hindi pala, gubat na pala. This is so cool. So this is Moki of Moki Gray, and she just painted this backdrop last night. Nakakaloka. And then there's a rug here, and then they're filling it up with all these like dried leaves and flowers. Para it looks more organic. So she usually does mga events and stuff, but she also does mga shoots, editorials. It's awesome sauce. Nakakaloka. That's how they do it pala.
So even with the flower clouds, they use chicken wire.
Even for my hair, when you do like a
No.
headpiece.
No!
Sugat-sugatan na pala ako dito. And then this is the state of our living room now. It is a mess. I'm now dressed in my outfit, already done with our first layout makeup. So there, my belly, we're ready. Also, our team is made up with like, it's a 3M. It's Miko, Mika, and Moki. Miko, Mika, Moki.
Minikani ko ni mo.
Oo. Minanani ko ni Monica, whatever.
I was never the one to write up a song.
What is our peg for this shoot?
Mother Earth. Mother Nature. Goddess Gaia.
Ang peg namin for the makeup, sabi ko kay Mika, natural lang pero Diyosa.
Ano yun?
Casual pero may falsies. Ganun.
Go lang, Yoni. You can pass.
Yoni can pass.
You should not pass. Basta at the end of the day, basta tayo. Ay, gusto niya! Yay! Sama natin, go! Ayun, parang naka-face siya sa akin. Ayun na, nana. Ito na.
Ay, ako na yung bida, sabi niya.
Ayun, tumitingin siya, oh.
No, stay. Pose. Next, pen. Good. Penny.
Distracted.
Pen.
Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better.
So for this look, according to Nico, it's tinubuan ng flowers look. Plus Penny, as usual. Alalala. Pen. Pen is back.
Yung hair na lang.
And now she's
Clyde.
she's bothering Moki.
Masking
Ay, nagpahinga siya, folks. Nagpahinga po si Penny. Sabi ni
Yes,
Penny, ako ang true
Penny tayo.
star. Nanganak na po ako si Penny. Ako lumabas. on to our second look. What are we doing for this one? I think it's still the same theme. We're still earthy and still inspired by Mother Nature. This is our second look, ready for the beach. So this cape was made by Bianca Cordero. So yan siya. Queen lang daw ang peg namin today. Queen that lacks fabric. So we were supposed to wear a gown inside, but everyone wanted me to wear a swimsuit inside, which no longer fits me. But we struggled and we now fit into this swimsuit.
Pag makuha mo yung raw ng prenup natin, dami mo yung memes.
Madami kong memes. Okay.
Wish that I
I am now growing flowers as Mother Nature. My true baby are the flowers.
I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed. Deep in the biting.
Effort.
Liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you.
Buntis na buntis tayo dyan. We now have a hat here. It was done on the spot. Ay!
Sorry, I'm so
She has now poked my baby with scissors. Ay! Now being mummified. And we're now finally done with the shoot. What do you say when you're done with the shoot?
Yay! Uwian na!
It's a wrap. It's a wrap. Okay, so you'll probably see, or you probably already saw some of these photos on my Instagram. So that's it. I hope that you guys liked this short, quick vlog. And I'm gonna say goodbye for now. Thank you so much. Please make sure to leave me a comment below and give me a thumbs up